Live Radio BostonPlaywburStreets in the Guaynabo suburb are flooded after Hurricane Maria made landfall, September 21, 2017, in San Juan, Puerto Rico. The majority of the island has lost power. In San Juan, many have been left without running water or cell phone service. Alex Wroblewski. Getty Images. Recovery efforts continue in Puerto Rico after Hurricane Maria. The island is dealing with widespread power outages, communication struggles and no water. No electricity means no ATMs, so even people who have money in the bank are having trouble withdrawing it to buy necessities. Here knows Robin Young talks with Winnie Escobar, a resident of Guaynabo, Puerto Rico. This segment aired on September 25, 2017.